welcome to the app guys, Jojo Drew here, and today I'm opening my second ever Pokemon pack. If you wanna see the first one, the short is linked down below. We are going with Stellar Crown this time, booster pack, so let's see what we get. There are some nice illustrations in this one, like Bulbasaur, Squirtle, all that stuff, but yeah. If you want the code, down here, let's see. Yamask, Bombardier, Iron, Carnivine, Ravavroom, Lapras, oh, that's nice. Mienshao, Crabrawler, and Panzer, and Klinklang at the back. Nothing great, but yeah, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.